Okay, welcome back. So I have tested a lot of jump starter kits. This one's totally new to me, and I have to be honest, in this review I won't actually be showing you it working, but I want to talk about why it's different. So this is from Autowit. This is a supercapacitor jump starting kit here. So this does not get charged like the other ones where you have a large battery that you have to keep charged. So it doesn't serve as a battery bank or a flashlight or anything else. This is a capacitor. And the benefit of this is that you are able to use a weak battery, like if your battery is just not turning over, you charge off of your existing battery enough to fill the capacitor, which then is going to allow you to jump your battery. So this is great for like emergency situations where maybe you aren't good at always keeping things charged. That would be most of my family. So you can hook this up to the ports here and then hook this to your battery, and it'll take about a half a second or so to charge, and then you push the start button. It takes 10 seconds to fully build up that capacitor, and then you start charging or start turning over your car. If your battery is completely dead, you can charge it off of another car through a cigarette lighter, which I'd imagine you could do that off your own car as well. But I guess there's no real point to it. If you're getting ready to jump it, you would just jump it with the cables on. And there's also a USB charger on here. So if you've got a power bank or something, you can charge it. So when I first got this, I didn't completely understand the concept of it. And I kept putting it on my USB charger, and it wouldn't hold a charge. And I thought, something's wrong here. And I went back, reviewed the details, reached out to the company. They said, no, this is a capacitor, not a battery. So sounds pretty cool. I'm going to try it here before too long. I have a tractor that usually has a dead battery, so we're going to try it on that. But I thought I would just give you a quick informational video on how this was different and why it might work better than the other style that you're used to having. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll leave a link in the description. Have a great day.